Hey friends, Catherine here. It is really late at night because it's been so hot lately. And I'm trying to work in the dead of night because it is cooler at night than it is during the day, and I just want it to be cool. Just need it to cool out. So we are going to be decorating the cover of this book that we made just the other day, this pineapple book. And I decided that I wanted to use up some of these pearls that I have. So I want to put a pearled pineapple design right on the bottom right hand corner of the cover of the book. For that, I've got these yellow pearls. They're kind of a dark orange, and we're just going to dump them out. And there's still one down in there, so we'll grab that one out of there too. And then I've also got these like lighter yellow ones that I don't know if we'll end up using, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. There was a purple one in there, so I've pulled it out. That way I can put it back in its proper place. There we go. Okay. And then I've got this pad right here to put some glue out on. That probably ought to do it, I think. It's not going to take a whole lot. And let's get started. We're just going to grab a bead with our tweezers, dip the back in glue, and place it on. Okay. And then we just have to do that 20 more times. So this is probably going to be a sped up video. I'll speed up through this placing part, and then we will slow back down for the end where you get to see a close-up of the final result. Let's see how this goes. And that's fine. There's a little bit embellished at the top and the bottom too. That's awesome. I like it. That is what we did tonight, friends. If you guys want to see more of this, I'm going to be doing more to embellish this book. Pockets and bookmarks and whatnot on the inside. So stick around. And I will see you all another day, and remember to subscribe. Bye!